I felt the stings in my neck, my head, all over my body, but I just wanted to save her.
A terrifying ordeal in Santee where a woman is recovering tonight after being swarmed and stung more than 100 times by a massive cloud of bees. Good evening and thank you for joining us. I'm Carlo Cicchetto. In the middle of the chaos, a plumber jumped into action, putting himself in danger to save her. CBS 8's Brian White has the story.
Yeah, what started out as a routine day here in Santee took a terrifying turn as this woman was attacked by a swarm of bees, and the whole thing was caught on video.
We just saw two people. One of them had a bug spray and they were spraying a bunch of, trying to get the bees off. And me and my partner were like, what's going on?
Right after he left a plumbing job, Diosdado Senroque spotted a woman covered in bees.
I realized that the elderly lady had a bunch of bees right on her side of her face. Once I approached her, she spoke to me in Spanish, telling me that she's about to pass out. And right then she fell.
He caught her right before she hit the ground. With bees swarming around them, he pulled her across the street.
It was just natural instincts. I seen an elderly lady. I know it's somebody's mother, grandmother, and I wanted to help.
His partner quickly grabbed a fire extinguisher, blasting away the bees as Diosdado shielded the woman.
I felt the stings in my neck, my head, all over my body, but I just wanted to save her.
They rushed back to their van, but the bees followed.
Ooh. Oh. That's when they got into our cabin, and you can see in the videos, I'm going crazy because it was a swarm of bees.
Paramedics arrived within minutes. The woman named Juana, who had been napping outside near a tree when the swarm landed, was stung over 100 times. She was rushed to the hospital.
I'm just glad I was out there at the right time and, right place and to help them out, and family's happy, and I just feel like, I did the right thing.
Bee experts say swarms like this are common in summer, and stings release pheromones that can trigger more aggression. If you're ever swarmed, they say to run, get inside a car or building, and cover your face. We're told Juana is still recovering tonight, and doctors say she's expected to be out of the hospital soon, thanks in no small part to the bravery of a total stranger. In Santee, Brian White, CBS 8.